Fact file.
Yeah!
Mice Squad Fact File.
Bill.
Jill.
Status.
Chill.
System. Settings.
Set to thrill.
Updates. Elephants. Fact file. Some African elephants are known to explore certain caves.
They go looking for the tasty salt inside.
Fact file. The salt is on the cave's walls.
Elephants scratch it off with their tusks to eat.
Fact file. Elephants need salt in their diet to stay healthy.
Yeah, and they can eat more of it than you and me.
Error. Upload incomplete.
How to fix it?
Move your feet.
Fact file. Fact file. Fact file. Yeah! That away.
Sweet, sweet air conditioning.
Hello.
Hey guys, thanks for keeping her cool.
No prob.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Agent Sam Snow.
And I'm Agent Kid Casey. We're here to get you home.
The name's Flash. Coach Flash.
Coach Flash, can you tell us which way your home is?
I just don't know. Usually I can use the position of the sun to find my way home. Ugh. But I must be too far away. That dust devil made me lose all sense of direction.
Did you happen to see anything while you were in the Dust Devil?
You know, I do remember a few things. First, I saw something sparkly. Then I heard a humming noise. And right before I landed here, I saw a lot of water.
Aha! That's 3 clues. Sparkles, humming noise, water.
So, what do we do with that?
We go backwards. If water was the last thing Coach Flash saw, then that's what we need to find first. Then we work our way back through the clues to find her home.
Uh-oh.
AC's out of business.
We'd better move fast. Without the AC cooling her down, Flash can only be out in the sun for 10 minutes.
Then the countdown has already begun. When this gets down to 0, Flash will be in danger of overheating.
Come on, we better take Ron. Or we can go on foot. It'll take forever to dig Ron out.
Right. Flash, we'll move faster if we carry you.
Carry me? We silver ants are the fastest ants in the world. You don't carry a silver ant.
Okay, let's just get moving before we all overheat.
First up, we have to find a body of water. How do we find water out in the desert?
Look, a bird! If a bird is out in this heat, then it must have some water to drink nearby.
Will you guys be okay here?
Yep.
Then let's follow that bird.
Ready, set, go, go, go!
Whoa, she is fast!
Bill! Jill! Hey guys!
Stinkwells!
Okay, everybody, get that dunk ball!
There it is! The goal! She shoots!
Come on, now's our chance!
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah.
I got it! Huh?
Whoa, what was that?
Over there!
Split up! We got it!
We don't cut it.
Whoa!
What's this? Oh, yeah.
Here we go again.
Hurry! It's heading for that cliff!
Oh no! It'll splat like a pancake!
Don't worry! We will get it!
We got this!
Sorry, guys.
It's up to you now!
Come to get the dunk.
My turn.
You gotta grab it!
Gotcha.
Nice one.
Great catch, Sam!
Our Dumbo!
And it's still nice and moist. Now we can finally start our family.
Nice catch back there. Another creature cave closed.
Guess I really did get my hands dirty this time.
Ew.
Thank you so much for your help, agents. Why don't you stay for dinner?
You know, all that running around did make me kind of hungry.
Sam, you do know what dung beetles eat, don't you? They eat dung.
Maybe another time.
Come get us. I repeat, come get us.
Maybe there's some clue we missed.
I don't think we missed anything. All I hear is that great beat in the background.
Well, it's good, yes, but I wouldn't call it great just yet. Listen, it's offbeat. Do you hear it?
You're right. Those drums are all messed up.
They might not be drums at all. Listen.
It almost sounds like... the musk oxen headbutting! Bill and Jill must have been near them.
So the musk oxen are mixed up in this. But how?
We'd better go back and ask them whether they like it or not. Come on!
Look, there they are.
Hey, musk oxen! Wait up!
Ugh.
I thought we already warned you not to come back here. Oops.
We're standing on a frozen lake.
Get back to the shore!
No, our babies!
This is bad, Sam. Musk oxen are not good swimmers. Come on!
We've got to get them back to shore.
Those ice floes. Maybe... if we...
On it, Kit. Cluebot, go! Wait for it. Wait for it. Now!
This way, everybody!
Just one more.
Whoa! There you go.
Our babies! You saved them!
Just doing our jobs, ma'am.
You might want to consider getting this little guy a haircut, though. He can barely see where he's going.
Not mine.
Did I say something wrong?
This strange-looking fella doesn't belong to any of us.
He doesn't.
Actually, I don't think this is a calf at all.
Is it a wolf in oxen's clothing?
This is no wolf.
It's the Mice Squad! They've been here all along!
Oh, hey guys.
Bill, Jill, we got your distress call.
Come get us. I repeat, come get us.
Are you okay?
Distress call? You mean this?
We're doing undercover work in the tundra. No need to come get us. I repeat, no need to come get us.
Cold weather must have scrambled it. Weird.
But why were you undercover?
That's why. We wanted to record that sound for our new track.
We didn't even see you guys under all this fur.
We're just glad you're okay. Everyone at CLADE will be so relieved.
Another creature case
Closed.
So, you were recording our headbutting to use in your song?
Can we hear it?
Fact file. Yeah!
Mice Squad Fact File.
Bill.
Jill.
Status.
Chill.
System. Settings.
Set to thrill. Update silver ants. Fact file. Saharan silver ants live in the desert where it's really hot.
Their shiny bodies help them beat the heat.
Fact file. They leave their homes to search for food.
But if they're out too long, they'll overheat.
Fact file. Silver ants aren't just shiny, they're fast too.
They're the fastest ants in the world.
Error! Upload incomplete!
How to fix it?
Move your feet!
Fact file. Fact file. Fact file. Yeah!
I'm Agent Sam Snow.
And I'm Agent Kid Casey.
Sorry, guys. It's up to you now.
Stay cool out there, Agent.
You can count on us, Director.